Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to create stickers in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I simply click on here to open my WhatsApp. But the next thing I'm going to do is to select this contact right here. And having selected contact, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your emoji icon. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create. The next thing you need to do is you can either create with a photo or generate with AI. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on use a photo. Then from your gallery, select a picture that you would like to use as your sticker. So I'm going to use this particular picture right here. I'm going to simply use this one right here. So it's open up like so. Next thing you can do here, you can see automatically WhatsApp has removed the background. You can expand and increase the size of the sticker. Once you're satisfied with the size of the sticker, then you can see the before and the after. Then the next thing you can do here, you can come to the top right here and add some of the faces. So right here, you have different type of sticker that you can still add into your design. So I'm going to simply scroll down and look for something that will be nice with the picture. I'm going to simply select this one right here. So you can change the edge just like so. So if you don't like it, click on here to go back, click on here to go back. And you can also come to the top right here, click on this tip right here to add some text into it. So we can add a text, nice look. Okay, we can change the font style from here. So everything depends on how we want our sticker to look like. Then we can change the position of the text and take it back to the center. So once we satisfy with everything, you simply click on done. Then you can click on the text again to edit and then go back. Then you can reposition the text. You can also increase the size of the text. You can rotate, adjust your design. This depends on what exactly you really want to achieve. If you are not satisfied with the design, you can simply go back, or better still, you can click on the design and get everything delete. And for you to delete it, simply click on here and go back, go back, go back, go back until you are back to the fresh. Then also you can make use of this pencil icon right here, do some editing stuff. So right here you can adjust the color of the image, you can add some pop color, you can add red. So you can do simple photo editing from this section right here. Once you're satisfied, simply click on done from the top right here, just like so, and you can see before and the after. Once you're satisfied with everything, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to send your sticker, and you have it. And one more thing right here, you can also make this sticker as your favorite sticker. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply tap on the sticker, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add to favorite. Now you have it right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply create sticker on WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.